Hello, good morning, guys. So today I will discuss you about regarding the position academic specialist Byju's. Okay, so I joined Byju's on 24 December 2021, and after that, like, I'm getting a lot of message on LinkedIn as well as on my personal WhatsApp as well. Ki, what is the process of selecting? Like, how we will make sure that we are selected for this role? Okay, so I will discuss details about everything from like what is selection process, how to apply at which website, how to apply, how to record a demo, what they will ask in an interview, and how much time it will take, what will be your roles and responsibility, how the training will work, what is compensation. Plus I will share my personal reviews and experience as well. Okay, like what's my experience in a Byju's. Okay, so let's start. First, the position is academic specialist, math or science. Okay, so basically this position is related to teaching. So example, if you are already teaching in a coaching classes, or if you're a teacher, okay, so you can apply for this. Or if you're fresher, then also you can apply, but make sure that you have the knowledge about the subject. Like you should have, you can visit NCRT from grade 4 to grade 10 of math or science, like whatever subject you are applied, just go through that. So you should have knowledge about that your subject. Okay, because this will be, you are directly teaching to the student. Okay, so first thing is that how we will apply, what is the selection process. Okay, so let me share my screen. I will teach you step by step how we can apply, and we will make sure that we are selecting for this role. Okay, so please watch my video, watch my complete video for all the information. So first thing is that first visit Google. Okay, in a Google, type academic special academic specialist Byju's. Okay, academic specialist Byju's. Just click on the link and you will find here one link, academic specialist for science subject for class 4 to 10. So currently there are only opening for science subject, but in future there will be opening for math and science both. Okay, so just click on this link. Okay, so whenever you click on this link, you will land on this page. Okay, so this page will have a complete information about like what is the roles and responsibility, what will be about, what is basically requirement for which type of candidate is required for this role. Okay, so first thing is that first let's discuss what is company's requirement. Okay, so company first requirement is a have a passion of teaching. What is mean by have a passion for teaching is means you should be passionate about teaching. Like you should have at least basic idea about teaching. Okay, so it's not like you're not interested in apply. Okay, you should be interested for teaching. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that you should have a strong subject knowledge of science or maths for grade 4 to 10, whichever subject you are applying. Okay, an example, if you have doubt, like, so you can you can just visit our NCRT website, download the textbook from grade 4 to grade 10 and just go through them once. Your knowledge will be like all will be fresh. Okay, you can revise that topic. Okay, third thing is that you should have a communication skill. Okay, so your communication skill, like you should have a proper English, like you should know proper English. Your communication should not be like lot of disturbances there. Okay, so you should have proper English communication skill plus camera facing skill. So it might possible that some of them not teach online till now. Okay, so there will be not a issue. You can do one thing, this all you can do one thing is just practice in a Zoom, like. Okay, so how you can and record your videos and just check whether how you are facing, how to face camera and everything. Even you will find a lot of videos about this on YouTube. Third thing is then major thing is multitask and think creativity. You should have a creative idea. Example, if you're taking class, okay, and student ask one doubt, how you will make sure that student understand the concepts. Okay, so for that you use some creative ideas as well. Okay, so these all is about the what is candidate requirement. So what is roles and responsibility after joining this role. So basically after joining, first thing is that you will conduct a online audio video classes. Okay, so you are conducting a classes, like example how we conduct on a Zoom. So basically they have their own platform. So on that platform we will conduct a classes, so related to math or science, for which subject you are applied, obviously. Then second thing is that it's for grade 4 to 10 only, as previously also we discussed, it's for grade 4 to 10. Then work location is work from home or work from Bangalore. Okay, so currently now it's work from home. It's made, might be possible that after 2 or 3 months it will be work from Bangalore only. Then employment type, it's a full-time job opportunity. What is compensation for these roles? So for compensation is total 6 LPA, out of which 4 LPA is fixed. So means 4 LPA you will get fixed, that will be around 29 to 31,000 per month. Okay, then 75,000 as a variable. So as a variable means this will be depend on your performance. Okay, how you perform. Based on that, you will get that amount plus 1.25 lakh as in the incentive. So this incentive will get after 1 year. After completing 1 year, based on your performance, you will get the incentives. Okay. So how to apply for this? So when you will land on this page, you will find this box. Enter 10-digit mobile number. Just enter your mobile number and click on send OTP. After that, you will receive an OTP on mobile number. Just enter and then click on this next button. Okay. When you click on this next button, you will land on this page. You will land on this page. Okay. So here, please fill the details. So here you will name, qualification, what is your teaching experience, 0, or if you're fresher than 0, otherwise 1 or 2 years, 3 years, your email ID, how you did you know about this job vacancy. So by like LinkedIn or Naukri.com or some other advertisement, you can mention that. Okay, just upload your resume and make sure that resume has all information are proper. Okay, like make sure that you are using a resume which contain like all the qualification detail or your work experience, roles and responsibility. Okay, every detail should be mentioned briefly. Second thing is that when you click on next, then there will be option of demo video upload. Okay, that you can upload video on that website. Okay, so let me explain the complete process. So first thing is that you will fill this form. Okay, for filling this form, you require one demo video call. So basically, you require to record a done demo call. So how you can record demo? You can record using Zoom call, like on a Zoom. Just open a Zoom app. There will be one record button. Just click on that, and then you can record your Zoom meeting, and you can send that video as well. Plus, you can use your mobile back camera to record a video. Okay, how to do that? And like I will show my own video that I've submitted that is selected also. Okay, so let me show first my video that I have submitted in a Byju's. Okay, so. This is my video that I have submitted on Byju's. So trigonometry is a branch of the geometry which deals with the angles and sine and ratio of them in a right angle triangle. Okay. Now let's start with the trigonometry. So basically, what is trigonometry? So trigonometry means this tri means 3. This tri means 3. This rho means sides, and this is for measurement. So basically, we will study the sides measurement, how the ratio of the sides and how the ratio of the side and the angle is related. Okay, so basically we will find the relation between the sides and angle. Okay, now let's start with this triangle. As we already know, the triangle which has one angle as a 90 degree is called as a right angle triangle. Okay, so in this video you can clearly say that I've recorded this video using mobile back camera. Okay, so basically I don't have whiteboard, so I have used this white chart paper. Okay, I have used white chart paper. Okay, and based on that, I have basically before teaching, if you need some study material, just drawn like this images, or if anything you want to write, you can write on that. Okay, and you want to record it 10 minutes, so make sure that you are you revise that concept for at least for 10 minutes. Okay, so that you can represent it on for 10 minutes. Okay, second thing is that you can check that my background should be white. It should be white or skin in a color, and your clothes should be black or navy blue in a color. Okay, so that it will be adjustment of contrast. Okay, then and even I will upload this video on my channel so that you can refer this video and you can make your own video. Okay, and make sure your mobile is stable. It's not like your mobile is not stable, then video will you will be unable to shoot a proper video. Okay, so make sure that the video is stable. Okay, and you can even take anyone help to record your video. Okay, so the mobile will be stable. Second thing is that, okay, after that, when you record this demo video, so make sure that video size is 150 MB. So just consider one condition that your video is more than 150 MB. So your video is recorded with 1 GB. Like for me, it's 1 GB because it's for around 10 to 15 minutes. It will of 1 GB. So what to do? For this, you can compress your video. Okay, so how to compress the video? For that, let me show you a trick. First, visit a Chrome and just search video compressor. Search video compressor. When you search video compressor, you will find lot of links. So you can select any link. So example, I am selecting this first link. Okay. After selecting this, just choose your file. So click on this choose file. Okay. This box will open. So just check whether where your file is saved. So example, my file is saved here. So I will click on this link and open. When you're open, so your video will get uploaded on that website. Okay, here compress now. When you will click on compress now, so you can compress by likewise these also, and there is a one more method. Let me show. Okay. So after uploading, just wait. Click on video compressor. Okay, and click on this link. You can there are multiple links are there. You can just click on choose, or first just select this all thing. Okay, so example, your video is 1 GB. 1 GB is around 1024 MB. Okay, so just consider what is mean by this 60%. So example, your video is of 100 MB. If here is a 60% means your video will be compressed to 60 MB. 100 MB video will compress to 60 MB. But let me show, if your video is 1000 MB and you want to reduce it to 150 MB, so it's 15%. So here make sure that you are selecting 15%. You are selecting 15%. So your video will be around one. If your video is for 1 GB, that is 1000 MB. In the case, you can select here 15%. So your video will compress to 150 MB. Okay. And after compressing, when like you choose the file and click on compress, you will find and then download the video. Okay. So the video, you will find the compressed video. After that, after your demo video is compressed, okay, then the I've shown already that link. Okay, visit on that link. You will find a link for demo upload option. You will find a one upload option. Click on that and just upload your demo video. Okay, so you will get an interview call around after 10 or 12 days. Okay, so after submitting your video, you will get your call after 10 or 12 days. So what to do in these 10 days? In 10 days, you can revise all the concepts, like from grade 4 to grade 10. Your subject is maths, and revise all the math subject. Your subject is science, then revise all the subject very well, like prepare very well for this interview. Okay, and the mostly question will be asked from grade 4 to grade 10 subject only. So now let's move. First, you have submitted demo, you are selected, you will receive one mail. Make sure you are checking mail on time. Every day you should check at least mail, so that when you are selected, you will receive mail that you are shortlisted for interview. Interviewer will call you and schedule the interview. Just make sure that give the time whenever you are free. Okay, don't cancel a lot of time. It will create a negative impact on the interview. After that, when your second interview, in the second interview, first 10 minutes there will be a Zoom call. So on first 10 minutes you will explain on particular topic. So example, you can prepare for it. Example, you are preparing for rational number in a math. Just prepare in a rational number, like example, at least for 2 or 3 pages, so that you can explain for 15 minutes at least. Okay, so first prepare for that, ready before interview, be ready. Okay, and after that, first 10 minutes you want to teach. So how you will, it's not like you can use back camera this time, or you can use it, you want to use any pen tab or something like that. No external devices allowed. So basically that you will teach on Zoom, like how I am explaining to you. Okay, so you will on Zoom, you will explain to the interviewer will be on call. On that time, just make sure that your communication is good, your concept, you are explaining concept very well. Okay, then your background should be completely white, your clothes should be black or navy blue to adjust this contrast. Okay, and make sure that your camera is adjusted properly, like your laptop camera is adjusted properly. How? Example, some people will put their camera like this, so this is the wrong impression. Your camera should cover your face completely, and your hand gesture should be completely visible. This all will create a positive impact on the interview. After that, when you finish with the interview, the interviewer will ask the question about your subjects. Okay, so example, I am from math, so they will ask what is rational number, what is whole number, what is natural number. Okay, or might be possible that they will give you one sum and solve. Example, they will give you square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to how much. Just solve this sum. Okay, likewise they will ask question from grade 4 to grade 10. So make sure that you're confident about that. Sometimes it might be possible that you are unable to answer them. So directly say them, told them, yeah, I don't know this answer, then move forward. Okay, don't waste a lot of time in that. And it's not like that you give a response too fast. Like example, you get a question, just make sure that you have pen and paper, just solve it and give answer after thinking. Some take at least some time and give answer. Okay, it's not like you should be in hurry. Okay, they will ask you 5 or 6 questions. Okay, and I will make one separate video on the demo, how to record demo, and I will share my video as well. Plus I will make one more separate video on interview question, like what they can ask for asking interview. Okay, third thing is that lot of people has asked me about that. after, like what type of training will be there, what will be a job location, what is roles and responsibility, what is work pressure, its company is good or not. So let me explain about let me explain about my experience. So my experience in the company is very good. The training is very good. Your TL, that is team leader, plus your trainer, both will provide you all the required information. You can call them anytime. They all are like very good in nature. They will ready to help you at any point. Okay. And the training will last for at least 5 or 6 weeks, like at least for 1 month or more than that, one month and 1 week, something like that. Okay. But in this training, they will make sure that you learn everything about from grade 4 to grade 10. They will teach you camera facing skills, how to solve the doubt. They will teach you about their platform. Okay, so everything will be provided. Plus you will, after completing at least after 1 month, you will get one complete kit with laptop and every other thing needed for this job role. Okay, a laptop plus pen tab and everything. Okay. Second thing is that some people is asking about like what is review of the company, in the sense like how they are paying salary. So salary will be around 29 to 31,000 per month. In end salary, I'm saying in end salary will be around 29 to 31,000. Okay. The leave policy is very good. You will get a casual leave, and for girls there are some special leave as well. Okay. So the leave policy is very good. Okay. Plus second thing is that about salary. So we all are concerned about our money. Okay, everyone. So for my previous experience, the salary mostly credited about 10th of the day. But in Byju's, the salary will be credited on first day of the working month. Okay. So on first day of working month, you will get your salary. Okay. So that is the one positive point about this. Yeah. And after completing training, you are taking 4 or 5 sessions in a day. So just make sure that it's around 8 hours in 8 hours job. Okay. So I think in every company there will be 8 hours job is there in India. Okay. You will get a 1 week off only, and training it will be on Sunday. After that, on team wise, there is a different day. Every team will get different week offs. Like from Monday to Friday, you will get a different week offs. Okay. You will get optional holidays. You will get the compulsory holidays, something like that. Everything will be explained in your orientation. So this whole process took me around 25 days. So when I submitted my demo video call, I got call back after 10 or 12 days. After that, after my interview, I got call after around 15 days. Okay. And then I've interviewer will call you and ask you about when you can join. Just make sure that you explain about like after 15 days, 20 days, whenever. Just make sure that uh, just give your available date. Okay. And after that, they will get back to you, and then complete after training, everything will be their responsibility. They will teach you each and everything. There is a no point of concern like this. Okay. And make sure that you like my videos, share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Soon I will send you some tips. I will record one video for demo video call, plus one video for the interview question. I will cover all the interview question so that maximum of people are selected for this role. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.